Alright guys, now we are ready to rock and roll. And we are going down to the next one. So you see, that's the next one. Stay put over here. And that's our boat over there. That's pretty full right now. So we're gonna get to the next one. So guys, we are finally entering the boat and we are going to the Niagara Falls. So we are finally on the boat and we are going to go to the falls. This looks good. That's the falls right over there. We are going to go to the center of it and it's going to take us a trip down there, up to the bridge over there. Yep, that's the one. So we are at the front seat of the entire excitement, right? Now that's the place you want to be.
May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound, and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or downstairs and disembarking.
So here we go.
We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Hornblower Niagara Cruises.
Can you just hold this, buddy? This is going to be a header. It's going to get good. Woo!
When
That's the American part of the Niagara Falls, and that's much smaller than what the Canadian counterpart is. And here's my Deepak, my friend.
We are getting closer to the waterfall.
So you see, that is quite smaller, but it's full of rocks and all. That's the Niagara Falls we are heading on to. Oh yeah! Deepak, my friend!
My friend,
We are all getting wet.
we're almost there, almost there.
And we're loving it. Wow. Look at those balls.